What's up, Miami? Are you good? Are you good? We believe in advancing art and design as the lens for the way we can see beauty in the world, and that's why we're here. And the greatest of art and creativity and tech brings us all together as a community. And that's what this panel is about, celebrating today.
For me, art is the most amazing opportunity for people to understand things because it's what makes you feel. When you create art, people feel your art. When you create buildings, people feel it. How else can you educate people? They have to feel what things are. And through art, we can feel. And through sustainable NFTs, we can educate.
I really do feel that there, as an artist and as someone who works in a sustainable way and cares about the environment and wants to use my art as a platform and does use my art as a platform to advocate for the environment, I think that Web3 sounds like it offers so many different opportunities for us as artists.
With our NFT project and our removal of all the plastic, we're creating our first plastic credit. It's actually to help remove plastic from the environment, one, but two, help to remove the carbon footprint we have when we're minting our NFTs.
Really, at its core, that's what Link embodies. Link is the Shazam of physical products. Like, in the same way that Shazam allowed you to literally not know anything about a song, and immediately in 5 seconds or less know who made it, the producers that were involved, the samples it came from. I mean, you go from not knowing anything to everything about a product, about a song. We want to do that for products.
There was all these people making commitments to invest in Black-owned media. And so we started looking at the landscape to see what really existed, and it turns out it was abysmal. There was literally nothing there. And so we said, well, there's nobody who's going to actually actively fix the ecosystem unless we create a model to reinvest in emerging Black-owned media, and that's what we created.
It doesn't matter your economic status or where those roots began, because people is truly what you need. And people, I believe, is the most powerful force. On the same page, united for a common purpose, working together. That is what we're seeing in Web3, and I think that's why this is a force that's recognized globally and why we're here together.